Hello and welcome. My name is Richard Storrs, the founder of Intelligent Instructor and your co-host for the Intelligent Instructor Awards 2023.
Hi, I'm Francis Noakes from Driving School TV, who will be helping Richard present our worthy awards. In this video presentation, we'll be discovering which instructors, driving schools and industry service providers have been voted best in class in the UK driver training sector.
A shortlist was drawn up. It was then over to our independent judging panel to start analysing the entries to compound their list of winners.
At the same time, the driving instructor community were invited to vote too. This saw over 7,300 instructors cast their vote. A combined ranking from the judges and the public helped determine our winners. In the event of a tie, the judging panel's ranking counted. Hopefully you'll agree this gives all our winners some serious credibility. So let's find out who these worthy winners are.
The National Driving School of the Year is judged on similar criteria to the regional schools. We were looking for excellent customer service, innovative and effective instruction, a commitment to road safety, strong business development and support offered to their instructor network. This award is always hotly contested and this year it's no different.
And our worthy winner of the National Driving School of the Year, who narrowly pipped our other two strong entries, is Bill Plant Driving School. The leaders at Bill Plant are investing in the business and show a strong business development plan. This is evident with their positive customer service reviews. The last 12 months has seen huge growth with its highest ever numbers of trainees, driving instructors and pupils in 21 years. It's its relentless focus on quality and customer experience that has propelled it to one of the UK's largest driving schools nationwide. Silver award in this category goes to Red. The bronze award in this category goes to AA Driving School.
Moving on to our next category, a new one for this year, Training Provider of the Year. Training is booming in our industry right now with a flood of new instructors coming into the market. This category was open to individuals, dedicated training companies, or even part of driving schools offering. We were looking for first-class service, proven results, and ways they help raise training standards. The shortlist is on screen now.
The winner of Training Provider of the Year is Bill Plant Driving School. They have a firm commitment to delivering world-class driving instructors with accessibility and delivering value as their key cornerstones. Their training program is very impressive, with courses offering comprehensive training experiences, incredible value and support at every stage of the journey. They offer trainees a wide variety of additional free resources and benefits through their new app too. There's little wonder why they continue to grow at record rates, expanding their trainee network rapidly. Tri Coaching Partnership receives the Silver Award. AA Driving School receives the Bronze Award. Highly commended in this category goes to Let's Instruct Driving Instructor Academy.